Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dex here. Today I'm excited to share with you how to make TRACERY Blob effect on Alight motion. I'll be sharing the preset file once we reach our like target. If you want to know about this shake effect, you will find it in my previous video. Now without any more delay, let's jump right into the video.